Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another awesome holidays, awesome collectibles video. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, reply, and share. I've already done a video on a Bart Simpson and then a Homer Simpson, a bigger one, Santa talking and moving. This one has some lights on it, and this one has a little bit of movement. Snoring Homer, and this one he's stuck in the chimney, both from 2004. Put a little ribbon around him. See, he's kind of cool. Let's see if we can get it to work.
Come on, somebody spring from their bed and see what's the matter.
You can see the lights light up there. Got a few lights on here.
Right, the one night I don't have a pocket full of bacon grease.
Got a little green one there.
Oh, can somebody at least turn up the TV?
Let's see. It says a bunch of things.
This looks like another problem that can only be solved by me breaking stuff.
We'll do the Santa one, sleeping Homer, in a moment.
Little help? Oh, when will they make a chimney for the husky gentleman? Only I didn't have those 3 eggnogs, and half a pumpkin pie, and a whole ham, that cup of mayo. Maybe if I take off my pants. How much? A fire would not be delightful right now. Pizza, bring Daddy his jaws of life. That's it, forget it. Everybody's on the naughty list. Come on, somebody spring from their bed and see what's the matter. Right, the one night I don't have a pocket full of bacon grease.
So he has a lot of sayings, and here's the sleeping, snoring one. You can see he's got a little drool or a little extra milk coming out of his mouth. Got a gingerbread cookie there.
Let's bring them their figgy pudding. They won't go till they get some.
He's a snorer.
Sugar plum. Let's go wassailing. Wassel. Bart, how did you know I wanted a chocolate motorcycle?
Seems not to be moving now. I wonder if it got stuck somehow or what.
You're the ghost of Christmas past? Get out of here.
It's something. It was always moving, and the batteries are fresh in there and strong enough. You can hear it kind of making the noise to move.
The Ted's bicycle seat to change. Oh, the connect pedals to insert spokes. So next year everyone gets a bag of oranges.
You can see he says a lot of things.
in any reindeer games, huh? Well, you... Let's bring them their figgy pudding. They won't go till they get some.
I think that was the first one. So that's the Santa, Snoring, Homer, and Santa stuck in the chimney. Leave a link to the end to the others, Homer, and then earlier left a link for the Bart Simpson. Thanks for watching, everyone.